Oh, what a day will soon take place when the redeemed of Adam's race in an instant will all be transformed. They'll come from near, some from afar, on past the moon, beyond the stars. What a sight on that great happy morn. Then sea and land give up their dead. The earth too long has been their bed. Released, they rise through the air. They'll come and join as magnetron together round that great white throne. Behold, their King waiting there. The trump will sound, amens resound. The saints will rise up from the ground. Such singing and shouting. We've run the race, we've seen his face, and start to sing Amazing Grace. What a sight on that resurrection morn. Then row on row, they'll fall in line, their perfect garments snowy white. They'll march in and claim their own land. They're home at last, the King will say, these are my own, for these are they, washed white in the blood of the Lamb. The mighty band will start to play the hallelujah chorus that day. All glory to the King of all kings. Then tears of joy will start to flow, because I've chosen long ago to be there when the saints start to sing. The trump will sound, amens resound. The saints will rise up from the ground. Such singing and shouting. We've run the race, we've seen his face, and start to sing Amazing Grace. What a sight on that resurrection morn. We've run the race, we've seen his face, and start to sing Amazing Grace. What